NBC6 studios. You're watching the NBC6 News at 5.
Essential, no doubt. Embarrassing, definitely. We're talking about a cancer screening test for women that usually involves stirrups. But in the near future, there might be an at-home alternative to the traditional pap smear. Health Connection reporter Diana Gonzalez shows us a do-it-yourself device invented by a Miami doctor.
It's a necessary, valuable, but unpleasant health test women must endure. Teaching medical students how to perform pap smears is one of the things Dr. Arthur Fournier has been doing for 27 years at the University of Miami.
And it never seemed right to me that there's such an invasion of privacy, and with all of our technology, all of these gadgets and bells and whistles that we have, it just seemed like there ought to be a better way.
So Dr. Fournier invented this, a do-it-yourself pap test for women that can be done at home in 2 minutes. A simple way to retrieve cells from the cervix to check for cancer and other diseases.
It's a special plastic, okay, that microscopically has little holes that pick up a lot of cells.
You insert it and then move it around on the cervix for ideally, about 20 times or about a minute, and then you remove it.
Take a specimen jar and you just pop it right into the jar, like that.
Then it gets sent to a lab for testing. The device was put to the test in Haiti, where access to doctors is limited, and cultural reasons stand in the way of women getting screened for cervical cancer. Rachel Lang, a medical student, helped with this study.
We had a local health worker explain to them how to use this device, and then we also did a traditional pap smear so that we could compare the two. It was much easier for them to do than to undergo a traditional pap smear.
Study results are in the Journal of Reproductive Medicine. Among the findings, the do-it-yourself pap test harvested more cells and identified more cases of HPV, the virus that causes cervical cancer. What about in this country? Dr. Fournier says the National Cancer Institute will be using his device to screen 1,500 women in rural Mississippi this summer. But realistically, it'll be 3 to 5 years before it's widely available to women here. Diana Gonzalez, NBC6.